driving through West Virginia, and I've said,
Hey, what's going on, guys? Just the half of the yak pack here. 3 out of 5 or 6 yaks ready to tackle the mighty Coomera again. She's had a bit of rain lately. See you down here. Yeah, so anyway, have a few beersies, have some lunch, get out there and catch some fish, Ed.
over my life, spent the most of it tongue-tied. Wish I'd had more time listening to her speak her mind. Now I'm thinking about it every day, on my mind a typical way. Are you a
So we're all packed up. We headed down this little gravel track here. It's nice, easy little walk to the car park with the kayaks, to this concrete slab for the boat ramp. Had the yaks all taken straight to the edge of the water, so it's easy to get in and out. The boys were ready. Harrison tried to surf his kayak, I guess. Not sure what he's done here, and then he nearly tipped over. So, need some lessons on how to enter the kayak. Had to give him a little zhush because he sat on the concrete a bit. Got the sick shot of AJ paddling out. Dang, brother. And yeah, we headed off. So, this is the little bridge area that I refer to. It's the way the water's washing over at the moment. We figure most of the fish are here, but the wind was really crazy coming through there and over the bridge. We're getting pushed into the friggin' riverbank. So we paddled up here a bit further, but the further up we saw less and less fish. So eventually we figured we'd be coming back down here, but we thought we'd just check the action if there was any fishies hiding up here. You want a Brookvale Union lemon squash, Dad? All right. Yeet. Broken ankle. Yeah, that's already dead. Oh, cerveza.
I'll be home come next spring. Won't you say you love me later, by and by?
Yeah, we should have seen that coming. We're down here in the Coomera River at the Oxenford Coomera Causeway. I don't know what it's called. So we're at the far end now. We're on the end that the river goes closer to the mountains. It goes all the way up into the hinterland, this river, to a bunch of waterfalls high up in the springlands. So yeah, we've seen a few jumpies, but only jumpies where we launched. Definitely getting quieter as we get closer to the freshwater side. So there's about 4 or 5 dudes sitting on the bridge down where we launched, catching the fish, I guess, as they hop through on their way over the bridge through to the ocean side. So I reckon we're gonna have better luck down there. So we might just go on a little mission and then yeah, see what we see. So didn't really find anything anywhere, but you know, any time to have a little nap is a good time for the boys. So kick back, find some ducks. Oh look, there's one. We've got some sick drone shots. We didn't catch any sick fish, but you know, whatever. You win some, you lose some. It's a good day. We might go try it, have a flick on the rocks, see how we go. Who knows? Bye, boyos. Paddling home.